The SS Alpena, second of her name, is the oldest freighter still serving on the Great Lakes. Built in 1942, she was originally named the Leon Fraser. She's long outlasted her shipmates, which were all scrapped in the late 80s. She flirted with a scrapyard herself in 2015 after some wiring started a fire on board, but her crew of 21 continue sailing. I caught up with them twice, first upbound at Sailors Encampment, here, then again downbound after the Soo Locks. Much more coming up after the new channel intro. Gracefully gliding around Johnson Point, the SS Alpena is steaming along. That's right, she's a true steamship, rocking her original Lafarge water tube boilers. She's a petite 519 feet long. A 1989 shortening saw a 120-foot section removed, which allowed her to service more ports across all 5 Great Lakes. Note the Dorade boxes on her stern. These vents capture air using the ship's movement and push it to the lower decks, such as the boiler room. These were used on older ships before large air fans became common. One of the Alpena's claims to fame was being the first ship to go downbound through the MacArthur Lock in the Soo on July 11th, 1943. I just love the way her beige paint reflects in the water. She sure is a fine looking ship. There might not be an official title for the oldest freighter on the lakes, but I think the Grand Old Lady of the Lakes sure has a nice ring to it. On her bow, you can tell she's pretty proud to be 82 years old. Her comically small self-unloader is rarely used these days. Her red rudder is steering her back home towards Alpena, Michigan, while she'll load up more cement for the next customer. As she sails off into the distance, please leave a comment. I always love hearing about everyone's shipping stories. On screen you can click through to my Wilfred Sykes video, or the CSL St. Laurent if you want something a little bit more modern.